Name is Danishwari. So today I'm going to present on data structures, how it is implemented using Python. I'm the student from MCA. So let's see how the data structure is implemented in Python. Uh, stack of stack, which is an important concept in data structures, and how it is implemented using Python. I wanted to explain. The today's presentation agenda is first I'll explain with introduction to stack and its definition. Then I'll explain applications of stack. After that, I'll discuss stack operations like push, pop, and etc. Next, I want to explain how stack is used in arithmetic expression evaluation, including infix to postfix conversion and postfix evaluation. Finally, I'll explain Python implementation and conclude this presentation. So let's see the introduction to stack. Stack is a type of linear data structures. It works based on LIFO principle, which means last in, first out. This means the element that is added last will be removed first. In stack, insertion and deletion happen only at the end, which is called top. Because of this, data access is restricted and well organized. So these are the stack operations which are used. To understand LIFO, we can think of a stack of plates. Plates is an example for stack operation in stack data structure. In this, mainly four basic operations are there. Push operation is used to insert an element into the stack. The pop operation removes the top element from the stack, and the peek operation is used to view the top of the element without removing it. The isEmpty operation checks whether stack is empty or not. Now, next, we'll see the applications of stack. Stack is used in many real-life applications, software application. It is used in undo and redo operations, in text editors. It is used in function calls and recursion, which is handled by the stack, call stack. Stack is also used for reversing string syntax checking and arithmetic expression evaluation. In this presentation, I will mainly focus on how stack is used in arithmetic expression evaluation. For explaining arithmetic expression evaluation, I chosen this expression. Mm, these arithmetic expressions are solved in different forms like infix and postfix. Infix expressions are easy for humans to read, but computers find postfix expressions are easier to evaluate. Here we are given infix expression 25 into 6 divided by 4 into 2 minus 5. To solve this using stack, we first convert this infix expression into postfix expression and then evaluate it. According to the precedency of the operators, we convert this into the postfix expression. So while converting infix to postfix, operator precedency is very important. Operations like star and hash have the higher, star and division operator have the higher precedence, and then plus and minus are the lower precedence. We use stack to temporarily store operators, and operands are directly added to the postfix expression while operators are pushed and popped based on precedence. Finally, after based on operators precedency, the postfix expression that we got is 25 6 into 4 hash 4 division operator 2 into 5 minus. So this is ready for evaluation. So to evaluate to evaluate a postfix expression, we again use the stack. If the symbol is an operand, we push it into the stack. If the symbol is an operator, we pop the two elements and apply the operation to the to the numbers and push the result back to the stack. This process continues till the expression is fully evaluated. So in that way, here the step-by-step process is chosen. So 25 is pushed into stack, and then after that 6 is pushed. After that operator comes. So operator is now at the top of this separate stack, and then so now we need to pop this, so that we do 25 into 6, 150, and then later these two things are done. Next comes 4. So after 150, 4 is pushed. After 4 is pushed into stack, in the step 5, before 150 was pushed, and then 4 is pushed into the stack, and then division operator comes, so it is divided and written 37.5. After 37.5, 2 is pushed into stack. Then comes the multiplication operator, so multiplication is done and pushed 75 to the stack. After this multiplication, 5 comes, so 5 is pushed, and then minus operator comes, so it will be 70 final answer. So now we'll see how the Python code works for solving this same problem. Now I'm going to explain the code which is written for this arithmetic expression evaluation. This is the first part of the code. Here we set the priority for the operators which are coming, and this part of the function is for converting the postfix expression, infix expression to postfix expression, and then uh, a loop is set for checking all the operators or operands which are coming from the expression, and later every character is checked, and based on the operator and operands, the function which needs to be performed is done, like popping or pushing the item into the stack, and then it evaluates the postfix expression which is converted. The converted expression In the converted expression, it checks the digits and operators, and then performs the operators operation on the operators, and then it returns the answer. So that the first the expression which I take previously as example, that one only I have taken here. The answer will be same as how we done in the stack.